everybody, welcome back. We're at it again. Our favorite project. Soffit used to be in here. Used to run the whole length down that way, feed all the rooms, but it's gone. Gone with the wind. Man, dusty in here. It ran this whole length, supplied this room, you know, pretty much every room in the house. This room, this room, this room, that room, right? Everything. And now they removed it all. Man, it's dusty in here. And now we're gonna put in all new cans, all new vents. They're keeping, there's already the first one in. They're keeping their unit, and that's okay. I recommended replacement, but you know, sometimes you can't, it's not in the budget. So here's another one. There's gonna be another one right there, right there. It's gonna go right there. This is what it looks like right now. So Karen, get back to work. All right, that's pretty much it. I'll show you the finished product. All right, all donezo. We got the flexible ductwork, right? New return in, new flexible ductwork throughout, right? Nice and strapped up for code. It's not getting inspected, but if it were to get inspected, we always want to be up to code. So the code is to strap your ductwork every 4 feet here in Arizona. And on new homes, remodels, they're a little bit more lenient, but we still do it as if it was new home. So, right, those are all the cans in the best locations per the engineering of the home, right? Sometimes you can't get into a certain place, but that's it. The new return. We have a new mixing box up here, right, where all the main trunks are coming out of. Right there. Boom, boom, and we got one more right there, the flexible duct, right? And that's pretty much it, y'all. Remember, they chose not to replace the unit that's up there. It's an over-under at the moment. I recommended replacement, and it was 15, 20 years old, but they opted not to, and that's okay. You know, it's not in the budget. I understand. Thermostat. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.